In order to set up hot corners, go to System Settings on your Mac. Click on the search icon here in order to access it, or press F4 on your recent Mac keyboard. But you can also use Command Space. Let's search for System Settings like that. It should pop up like that. Press the return key, and then now after you'll see appearance here, but it's still want to click on desktop and dock. So here, and now you're going to click on hot corners at the bottom. My key that what the hot corners is, but it may depend on what you want. For example, if I put this not lock screen, but it's launchpad, and put my cursor here, and it will open the launchpad. That's an example. Just like for the quarter, it will show if I have launchpad here, which is going to do that. Notification center here, which is going to do that. Here it's going to put notification center, and here desktop. But you can just do pretty much whatever you want. You can choose the action that you want, and the action that you want. And after you're able to hold key, if you wanted. So if I put it like that, it will not work unless I hold the option key. It can be whatever key you want. It can be a combination of keys. It can be whatever you want. It's very customizable. Oh, so that's basically it. Goodbye, guys. See you soon.